we were just daytime workers. But now with this, yeah, batches are not a problem. 500, 1,000, 1,500. It regardless of the size, it repeats and it makes life a hell of a lot easier.
Wow, today we're here at Quick Machining Solutions in New Milton. We're going to be talking about the kind of complexities of loading up components with a Muratec. This is kind of one of your newest machines here, Simon.
Yeah.
Tell me about the automation, because it's quite unique with the Muratec machine, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Good choices of bar feed or gantry loading, governed by the size, 2-inch material and the spindle with a meter magazine bar feeder.
Yeah, so there's two different ways of loading the machine.
Yep.
And I guess you'd probably only really ever use one at once.
Not necessarily. We use the gantry loader to take out the bar ends
Okay.
from the bar feed jobs.
Yeah,
so
fair
again, as long as the bar feed's set up correctly, there's no reason it won't stop.
Yeah, that's instead of, I guess, pushing bar ends through into the conveyor belt, right?
Yep,
And why would you do that?
It's safety. The bar ends are still in, they're not damaged at all, so we can use them for another component at the end of once the job's finished.
Yeah, really interesting. And I guess when would you use a bar feed over a gantry, and when would you use the gantry billet load over the bar feed?
We are governed by the size of the job.
Okay.
So the material comes in, it's bigger than 2 inches, we billet, it's billets. But yeah, either way, it's automated and it's proven. The lower turret can go main spindle or sub spindle, and the coolant flush through spindle, coolant flush on sub spindle, main spindle. We have air blow, and it's a really good way to make sure there's no swarf hanging around. So yeah, it's a continuous automated runner for regardless of the job or the material.
And since you're making good complete parts out with two different automation systems, I guess you must have got some really big batches through this machine.
Yeah, we were governed by size of orders because we were just daytime workers. But now with this, yeah, batches are not a problem. 500, 1,000, 1,500. Regardless of the size, it repeats and it makes life a hell of a lot easier.